All right, this right here is the components. I took this out of the box. This is that right here. I took it out of the box. That's it here. I've used this brand before. I can't remember on what vehicle I've used it, but it seemed like it was good. That's the part number, and that's what's in it. Then we got all the freeze plugs, a 2.0 or a 2.2 four-cylinder Mazda Ford. Oh, Kia used to make it too. It's the for the B2200. This right here is the pistons, all four. Everything is standard size. Only one thing I'm not seeing, which I guess you'll have to buy it separate. This one is the main right there. This one is for the, oh, this is the piston rings. So that's the rings. And this one is the rod bearing set. Inside this set, you got oil pan, gasket, valve cover gasket, head gasket, main seals, crank seal, valve seals, some O-rings, and the exhaust manifold gasket. So all this is for that. So I'll be pulling the engine out and redoing that one. I think I have to get a rebuild kit for the carburetor also. So that's it for now, and I'll get back to it later on.